In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar with your Windows desktop calendar, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is a really handy way to keep all your events and reminders in one place, especially if you frequently switch between devices. Let's dive right in and get started. First, what you'll want to do is open the Calendar app on your Windows PC. A quick way to find this is to search for Calendar in the Start menu, and it should pop right up. Once you've opened the app, you'll see a layout that's ready to display all of your appointments and schedules neatly. Now, take a glance over to the left panel of the Calendar app. Here, you're going to look for a little gear icon, which represents settings. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, you need to choose Manage Accounts. This step is essential because it's here that you'll be able to add your Google account. After selecting Manage Accounts, you'll see an option that says Add Account. Click on this and you'll be presented with different types of accounts you can add. Since we're focusing on syncing your Google Calendar, you'll want to choose Google from the list. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Gmail account, the same account that your Google Calendar is linked to. Make sure you enter the correct credentials, as this is the key that connects everything together. After signing in, you'll be prompted to grant permissions. This is a crucial part of the process as it ensures your Google Calendar data can be accessed by the Windows app. The app will typically ask for permissions to access your calendar, email, and contacts, among others. Go ahead and click Allow to ensure seamless synchronization. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, that's pretty much it. You'll now be able to see all your Google Calendar events right within the Windows Calendar app. It's all synced up and ready to go, ensuring that your schedule is always at your fingertips, no matter which device you're using. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward way to have all your events conveniently available on your Windows desktop. This sync will help you stay organized and make your life a little bit easier by having one central location for all your appointments. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tutorials for optimizing your digital life.